Oh, Roger, we're doing the teams for the 4-box break. Random is live. Going participants first. Got 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The teams now. 6 times again. Easy. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Random is complete, and the teams are Simi Osmond, Magic, Timothy, Blazers, Bulls, Dobell, Pistons, Zach, Knicks, Grant with the Nuggets, Benny with the Jazz, Albie, Pelicans, Nathaniel, Rockets, Braden, Heat, Johnny Deegan, Wolves, Talal, Grizz, Lenny McCubbin, Spurs, Jules, Hawks, Timothy, Clippers and Lakers, Ash, Peters, Sixers, Isaiah Walker, Kings, Johnny with the Wizards, Daniel with the Celtics, Jeff with the Hornets, Bestwick, Bucks, Grant with the Thunder, Johnny Deegan, Suns, Simi Osmond, Mavericks, Trotty Rhodes, Raptors, Glenn Jackson, Warriors, Zach O'Toole, Pacers, Grant McDonald, Nets, and Robert Darren Beswick with the Cavs. That's the same list. Right, loads.